Good morning, guys. It is me again. I had somebody ask me if I'm going to show how I make my juice. So I will show you guys real quick as I'm pressed for time. But I also need to make this juice for work because I make a juice every single day. So today's juice is going to be apples, carrots, ginger is somewhere around here, and pineapple. Let me make sure I have my ginger here. No, it's not in here. Here's my bowl of fruits. And here's my ginger. So, to juice, I have a Breville. This is my juicer. I'm going to tell you, if you're going to buy a juicer, invest a few $100s. If this is something you really want to do every day, invest a few $100s and get a good juicer. So I ordered a new juicer and I should be getting it hopefully the beginning of next week. So you'll see the new juicer. But for right now, the Breville has been holding it together down for me for the last 2 months. Now what I can tell you, this is a centrifugal juicer. The juicer that I'm going to be getting is a masticating, and I could be saying wrong, juicer. So it juices really slow and it gets all the enzyme and all the nutrients from the fruit. So when the pulp is done, the pulp is dry. When the pulp is dry, you know you got everything out of that juice. But if the pulp is wet, you know there's still a lot of nutrients left in the juice. So if you're going to be juicing every day, get yourself a good juicer. So this is going to be a little loud, and I'm sorry about the lighting. Like, I really wanted to do this real quick to show you guys because I did have somebody ask about that. So here we go. Always juice ginger and these smaller things first so they can go through the juicer along with the bigger things. So you don't need to peel the ginger, but be sure it's clean, very clean. So juice. Okay, so because I'm doing this for the family, I'm gonna leave the apples for last because I have one that's allergic to apples. Good morning. So I already did my live stream on a detox drink, but I had somebody ask about my juices. So as I'm getting it ready for work, I'm going to go ahead and just show everybody. So for that daughter that's allergic to apples, I'm going to go ahead and take her juice out of this right now so that I can juice for the rest of the family. So for Deanna, hers just has carrots, ginger, and pineapple. That's all that's in hers. And she doesn't get a full cup. Right now, I just try to make sure my kids drink something every day. It doesn't matter to me that they don't get a full cup. I'm just happy they get some fruits and vegetables. So that's for Deanna. And for the rest of the family, we're not allergic to apples, carrots, pineapple, or ginger. So the rest will be for us. Again, the ginger, you don't need to peel it and put it first. Now I'm going to add the apples. At the beginning, I talked about the different juicers, so you can watch the replay. And because my little cup thing broke, I have to put it in the cup and then add it to something else. A little extra work, but my new juicer will be here next week, so I'm not worried about it. Okay. I can't wait to get the new juicer. This is causing like so much extra work having to mix these all up, but it's okay. So I'm trying to mix up the carrots and the pineapples. So I'll just pour a little bit of the pineapple, pour a little bit of the carrots. So that's for the other child, the other daughter. And then I'll put a little bit for my son. And then the rest will go to me. Now you want, when you're traveling, I'll tell you in just a second. You want, when you're traveling with your juice, you really want your juice to come all the way to the top like that. It doesn't oxidize, but because I was doing something quick and I didn't measure everything out, and I gave my kids a little bit more than I usually give them, so I'm not worried about it because this juice, I'm going to drink it within an hour anyway. That's the first thing I take in the morning before I eat. What I have right now is a Breville, and it's this. And I'm going to be honest with you. Like I said at the beginning, if you're going to buy a juicer, spend a few thousand, not thousands, oh Lord. Spend a few $100s and get a good juicer. What happens with these type of juicers, and I'll see if I could show you on live. The problem with these juicers, and they're called centrifugal juicers, they don't pull out the pulp. So you may not be able to see it. Well, you can. You see it's dripping juice. So the fact that this is dripping juice means that all the nutrients and enzyme did not come out of the fruit. It's still very, very wet. You don't want that. You want, when you finish juicing, your pulp is dry. That means all the nutrients and enzymes and everything that you need to feed your body is in your juice. And that's why I brought a new juicer, and it's coming next week. And I will definitely show you guys, listen, I'm going to be going real hard with my juicing with my new juicer. So I'll show you guys the different drinks I make and my 7-day juicing fast. Now, regarding my 7-day juicing fast, I will not be on social media, but I am going to document my journey and make a YouTube video out of it so you guys could see that journey. So here's to juicing. I'm going to go ahead and log off now and get ready for work. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.